Welcome back. In part 1, I demonstrated how to set up your switch to act as a router and DHCP server, making it easier to oversee, monitor, and troubleshoot the network. Now the router can focus solely on internet connectivity. Time to get it set up. In this second of a 2-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to link a Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switch to a router and configure static routes. Next. To give devices internet access, you need to set up a separate subnet for the connection between the switch and the router. This subnet is exclusively for linking the switch and the router to each other. It should use a subnet mask that only allows 2 IP addresses, one for each device. In the switch's settings, create this new network interface using either VLAN 1 or a routed port. I'll use VLAN 1 and add an extra interface for the link as a static IP address. Set the prefix length to 30 and click Apply. I'll remove the old default IP address from VLAN 1 for clarity. Physically connect the switch to the router. Set a static route on the switch so it will send traffic that's meant for the internet to the router's IP address. Set the default gateway. Enter the destination IP prefix to 0.0.0.0. Set the prefix length to 0. Add the next hot router IP address. Click Apply. Now, the switch is connected to the router. Verify this in the forwarding table. The static route has been added. If I try to open a website at this point, it won't connect. That's because the router or firewall needs to know how to send return traffic back to the VLANs. To fix this, log into the router. I'll log into my RV345 to add reverse static routes. These routes tell the router how to reach each of the VLANs by sending traffic back to the switch. Now that I have static routes for both VLANs, I'll test the setup again. This time, when I open a website or ping an external address, the connection works, and devices on my network have internet access. Great! You are now leveraging the strengths of your router and switch. Your Catalyst switch will handle the heavy lifting for your internal network. You have now boosted performance and security. This streamlined setup is flexible and simple to troubleshoot. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.